Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you how you can find and build your agenda for the upcoming Mega Agent Camp using your Command mobile app. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your Command mobile app. Once you log in, you'll see at the top we have a new alert that says Mega Agent Camp on the go. It's going to let you know that the event is live within your Command mobile app now. You can dismiss that notification or hit the view event. Once you hit view event, you should be brought into Mega Agent Camp 2025. Now you can also go back to your home screen, and instead of hitting that view event, if you don't see it, you can click the three little lines in the bottom right corner. From there, you're going to see that we have a new one called Mega Agent Camp 2025. So if we go ahead and click on that one, it's going to bring us to the same location. Now, once we are logged in here, we can go ahead and browse sessions. We can also just hit the sessions button. This is going to allow us to view the various different upcoming agenda for all of the various days. If we want to mark one that we'd like to add it to our agenda, we can click on that. We can view where it's at by the map. We can also just hit that little bookmark. That's going to add the session to our agenda. Now, if we go to agenda, we're going to see that we have that welcome party scheduled for the 11th, 4 to 7. We can go back to sessions, scroll through these. It's going to let us know what day they're on. It's going to have various tags that identify that specific group that it may pertain to. This one, of course, says members only. If we keep coming down, general sessions, we've got masterminds, social media. Keep going. This one's got a luxury tag, leverage land, everyone, of course, additional fee. So this is going to really break it down for you guys, let you know what sessions are for you and allow you to a little more easily identify what you want to add to your agenda. Again, as you add those, they're going to appear. You can also search for sessions if you're looking for something specific. You're going to see the map in the bottom right corner where you can take a look at that. Just lets you get really familiar with the center that this is going to be held in. Next, we have speakers. If you want to look for specific speakers and maybe something they're teaching, you can come in here and find those. Let's click on Jay here. It's going to let you know where you can find him, what different sessions he's going to be at. You can look for your exhibitors, find those partners. Canva, it's going to let you know a little bit of information, where to find them again. Yeah, so lots of great options here. You can also share your agenda. You can even add it directly to your calendar, making it very easy for you to find on the go when you're there. All right, so that is our tip video for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a great day.